Alright guys, so this is the official trailer of the OnePlus 7 Pro and all the credits to the OnePlus. This actually comes from Reddit, so let's break it down. It's the first thing first, you are getting a 90Hz refreshing rate panel and this screen looks really gorgeous. I mean man, wow, absolutely amazing. I think you are getting an iPhone 10 like live wallpapers, something like this, which looks stunning on the 7 Pro. And the exciting part is that the 7 Pro actually coming up with 3 color options that includes grey, blue and whitish gold. You can see 3 cameras on the back panel, a 48 megapixel lens plus a depth sensor and at last an ultra wide lens. So I think that's almost similar setup like a Galaxy S10 Plus. So yeah, great job OnePlus. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is coming with almost edge-to-edge screen thanks to the pop-up selfie shooter mechanism which is placed on the left top of the screen itself. You can see. I hope this thing is durable, and OnePlus also showcasing the Android operating system. That means they are likely coming with something new or impressive in the Oxygen OS. By the way, the 7 and the 7 Pro is already planned for the Android 10.0 Q beta version. And yeah, that's all guys with the official teaser look of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I think it looks amazing. Snapdragon 855, 8/10/12 GB of RAM, 48 plus 16 plus 8 megapixel triple camera, Fluid AMOLED QHD plus 6.67 inches panel with amazing refresh rate. There's HDR10 Plus support and an amazing vibration engine. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection in front and back as well. So this is the all complete backup that we are wanting in flagship phones like OnePlus. And this is pretty much it for today. I hope you did like the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I will catch you all in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Peace out. Bye-bye.